It's 7 o'clock in the morning on Monday, July 28, 2025. I guess we're bringing them all in. Even the sheep are coming in too. But getting ready for sale. Here comes the sheepies. The doggies are actually helping because they're staying outside the road there, the lane. There you go, guys. Look at the tail just spinning around there. She's going after that stuff, the small growth on the ground there. I forget what it's called, but I remember I looked it up and it said in Wikipedia that it was found in the stomach of that ancient man they found buried in the ice in the Alps. So is there more sheep coming? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of sheep that are stuck back there. I guess they weren't trying to get the sheep. Oh, look at this grass. So we were here probably about 7 weeks ago. Is that right? 6 or 7 weeks ago? I think that's right. All right, let's go sort the animals. Guys, have a great day. Bye.